I forgot the Spanish for that one.
In Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm. New Jersey until 4:45 p.m.
Can you turn that down, please?
Source, radar indicated. Impact. Hazard. You'll get value in it. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Minor damage to vehicles if possible. Wind damage to roofs. Farmingdale, Freehold, Elbaron, Collingwood Park, Lincroft, Morganville, Novesink, Eatontown. Freehold, Elbaron, Collingwood Park, Lincroft, Morganville, Novesink, Eatontown. Finish over. This concludes
This is man versus self.
5 p.m. for the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey. The current planning. Northeastern Monmouth County until 4:45 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Holmdel, or 10 miles west of Long Branch, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Asbury Park, Middletown, Howell, Marlborough, Teton Falls, Holmdel, Red Bank, Farmingdale, East Freehold, Elbaron, Collingwood Park, Lincroft, Morganville, Novesink, Eatontown, Freehold, West Long Branch, Rumson and Little Silver. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 100 and 117. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flood advisory.